Hello, my friend! What to do to avoid acting on impulse? What can I do to avoid acting when I'm angry? The first thing is super simple and we often forget. Breathe. Once more. Release your shoulders. Frustration and anger cause physical reactions. Accelerated breathing, faster heart rates, and sweating. When you breathe slowly and deeply, you relax your muscles. You decrease your psychological answer. Another thing, get out of the situation. When you become more emotional, your capacity to think decreases. Learn how to recognize personal signals of warning that you are getting angry. When you shake, when you feel warmth in your head, get out of the situation before you lose the control. The third and last one, distract yourself. Don't try to solve a problem or deal with a question when you are emotionally involved. Distract yourself with an activity like reading, walking, laughing. That will help you to calm down. These three things, breathe, get out of the situation, and distract yourself. Comment here about a situation when you held yourself, when you held your impulse. How did you feel after you calmed down? Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. How to deal with criticism. There's a singer called Madonna. I don't know if you've heard of her. She's super successful.